Itong dalawang agency na to, pag nasa labas kami, ang tawag nila sa amin, bagong bayani. Kasi 100% remittance tumatakbo rito sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, nung wala na kami, wala rin silang pakialam.
Heroes don't always succeed. Eugene Asho is a former OFW who worked in factories in the Middle East and Africa. Nowadays, he collects bottles in the streets and goes to soup kitchens to survive.
Napunta lang ako rito dahil nga sa hiring ng trabaho. Ang kaso, hindi naman ako natuloy. Kaya naubusan na rin ako ng pera. Dito ako ngayon dito sumasama sa mga feedings. Tapos sa gabi, doon ako natutulog sa bewok. Gabi-gabi yun. Pag umulan, maghahanap ako ng building doon sa tagiliran. Doon, makatulog lang.
There are many like Eugene walking the streets of Manila. Former OFWs like Eugene go here in Liwasang Bonifacio every morning to get their breakfast from different charity groups. They go to other feeding programs across Manila for their lunch and dinner. Arthur Villeta waits for free food from benefactors. He was a fashion designer of the Brunei royal family for 9 years until a stroke ended his career. He got accepted in other jobs abroad, but he couldn't pass the medical exams. He says he has not received any support.
Yung sabi nila na kapag OFW ka, priority ka ng gobyerno.
Sabihin mo lahat, ha?
Pero hindi naman nangyari yun, sir. Kung priority ka, dapat paglapit mo doon, unahin ka. Nakita yung case mo, kung ano problema mo. Dapat unahin ka, pero wala eh.
Like Arthur, Eugene says he has lost faith in government.
Hindi naman ako pwedeng lumapit sa UWA. Hindi naman ako pwede manghingi doon ng financial support. Kung magbibigay lang sila ng pera, kung ikay papaalis na.
Despite the government's goal to reduce the number of Filipinos leaving, a report in June says the number of OFWs increased steadily through the decades. The Overseas Workers Welfare Administration has reintegration programs available for repatriated OFWs. Neither Eugene or Arthur benefited from these. Both men hope they can still go abroad. They see it as the only solution to their hardships.
Umaasa na lang ako kung baka sakaling mayroong tumulong, at least sa skill ko, kailangan naman doon yung skill ko sa mga planta, makakabalik ako sa abroad. Pero yung uuwi ako, hindi ako uuwi hanggat hindi ako makaka-abroad.
David Lozada, Rappler, Manila.